cups is 2 packages of dots. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut all of these up into smaller pieces down here. Okay, so I think the easiest way to do this is just to take a knife and just separate, or not separate, but cut each one in half. I think that's the easiest way to get them cut in half. Next thing we want to do is prepare a pan. So I have my parchment paper, an 8x8 pan, and I'm cutting for the corners. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a microwave safe bowl. This is my favorite one. I got it at a thrift store, but I will put a link in the description below if they still have one similar. I don't know if they do or not, on Amazon. You want 2 tablespoons of butter, and then you want 20 ounces of chocolate chips. So this one happens to be 9 ounces, and this one happens to be 11 ounces. So just check your chips. It's basically 2 bags of chocolate chips. Okay, so we're gonna combine that with 2 10-ounce packages of mini marshmallows. These in here because I need to use them up. Hold both packages of chocolate chips. This is 10 ounces of the big ones that I used up. So what I'm going to do is get this all started melting, and then I'm going to add the rest. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Then you want to be sure to stir in between so you don't burn any of your chocolate. You can also do this in a pan on a double boiler if you want.
Double boiler?
Double boiler. Do you know what a double boiler is?
No, I don't.
It is a pan. It's where you take a pan like this, put water in it, and then you take a bowl and put it on top and put your ingredients in here, and it slowly warms it without burning.
Oh.
That's what a double boiler is. All right, now we're getting down, so I'm gonna add my next bag of marshmallows. So it acts like my white chocolate is trying to seize up on me. So I'm just going to go through and keep stirring until I can get the rest of the chocolate melted, or the marshmallows melted, so that the chocolate doesn't get too hot. White chocolate will seize if it gets too hot. You can't diddle around because once it starts cooling, it's hot. Okay, so now let's get all of our candies. Then I'm going to leave some to decorate the top here. Some of the smaller ones to decorate the top. Okay, now here's a little trick. When you have something sticky, spray your fingers. You can just press it in the pan with your fingers. Try to make sure, like if you were envisioning cutting it, that every piece has a little piece on top. So now we're gonna let this set up, and then we will cut it. And do not put it in the refrigerator, just let it set up at room temperature. Okay, it has been 4 hours, and I think, do I dare give this a try, dear?
Looks like nougat to me.
It is supposed to be nougat.
What?
Do you think that it turned out as nougat? Is it too soft still? size, right? Or wrong?
Depends on how many calories you want.
Okay, as I was dishing this up for the neighbors, Mike said it is.
I said of all the Christmas candies you've ever made, this is probably one of the top 5.